Hi, I'm Hadil, part of the team at BrightSign, and today we're going to talk about teaching BrightSign Glove your signs. Let's go. First, to add a new sign, you need to navigate to the Sign Library screen. Using the library icon, choose your default library and press Add Sign. We're going to have our signs output some speech, so choose the Generate Speech option. Type in whatever word or phrase corresponds to the sign you want to add. Next, when you're ready, add a new example of the gesture and press the button to begin recording. If you aren't so consistent at signing and BrightSign is struggling to recognize your signs correctly, you might have to show the glove one more example of how you perform your gesture. To do that, press the Add button one more time and record another example of your signing. You can add as many examples as you like. 2 or 3 are usually enough, even if you perform them with quite a lot of variation each time. If you want to remove or replace an example, press and hold on it and confirm that you want to delete it. You've taught BrightSign your signs and learned how to show it multiple examples. You can now build your library of signs and gestures just like that.